In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to get notified when a prospect opens your email. If you're tired of guessing when your emails are actually being read, stick with me until the end, because I'll share the quickest way to stay in the loop and never miss a follow-up opportunity. First off, you'll need to use a specific tool to get notified when your email is opened. There are several popular options out there, but after testing a bunch of them, I'm going to show you the one I found to be the most reliable and easy to use. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set it up and start tracking your emails in just a few minutes. Here's the thing. Most people have no idea when their emails are opened. You can send an email and wait days, wondering if the prospect has even seen it. With the software we'll be using today, you get notified the instant someone opens your email, and you can even track whether or not they clicked any links in your email. This means you'll have a heads up for when to follow up, giving you an edge in closing deals. Now, the first step is choosing the right email tracking software. Our software does the job seamlessly. Once you've installed it, it works by embedding a tiny invisible tracking pixel in your emails. That pixel is activated when the email is opened, notifying you right away. You can set up real-time notifications to your phone or email, so you're alerted immediately when the email is opened. It's that simple. And you're not just getting notified about opens, you can also track things like how many times your email was opened, or if the recipient clicked any links you included. Next, let's talk about how to actually use this feature. Once you've set up the software, you can start tracking any email you send. All you need to do is enable tracking when composing your email, and the tool will take care of the rest. You'll see detailed reports on who opened your email and what actions they took after opening it. If they clicked a link or opened it multiple times, you'll know exactly what's going on, helping you time your next move more effectively. Now, you might be wondering about privacy or security. This software uses encrypted tracking, so it's totally safe and respects your recipient's privacy. It's the perfect way to stay in the loop without being intrusive. And here's the best part. You don't have to pay for a subscription to start using this software. I've partnered with the team to give you an exclusive free trial just for viewers of my channel. So if you want to follow along and see how this works in real time, check out the description below to grab your free trial link. To recap, getting notified when a prospect opens your email is simple and straightforward. Use our recommended software to track email opens with just one click. Set up real-time notifications so you're always in the loop about who's reading your emails. And make sure to take advantage of the free trial in the description below to get started. Key takeaway. Email tracking is a game changer for anyone serious about improving their follow-up strategy. By knowing when your emails are opened, you can act faster and more strategically. Remember, if you want to get started right away, grab the exclusive free trial link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.